Hello and welcome to a quick intro to Scrum. My name is Ravi Verma. I'm the founder and org whisperer at Smooth Apps and a Scrum.org professional Scrum trainer. In this intro, we will cover the 3 accountabilities of Scrum, the 3 artifacts and their overarching contexts, 5 events, 1 optional activity, all in pursuit of one goal: help people solve complex problems in a way that honors 5 values and stays true to 3 guiding principles. At the heart of Scrum are customers and users who are trying to solve complex problems in rapidly changing environments. Scrum defines 3 accountabilities: product owner, Scrum master, developers, and I think an implicit 4th accountability: stakeholders. Product owner maximizes value of the work done by the Scrum team. Developers create done increments, and the Scrum master makes sure everybody understands and adopts professional Scrum. Stakeholders are accountable to effectively collaborate with the Scrum team in pursuit of empirical problem solving. The game of Scrum has 3 artifacts: the product backlog, which is a rank ordered list of slices of the problem that can be solved in pursuit of an overarching true north, the product goal. Scrum begins with an event called sprint planning. The Scrum team gets together, tries to figure out what might be the next best step in terms of achieving the true north, which is the product goal. They pull off slices of the product backlog, which are both valuable and feasible to achieve within a sprint, and they create the sprint backlog. The overarching context of the sprint backlog is to solve a problem, which is the sprint goal. Every day, the developers get together to reflect upon what have they achieved in the last business day and what might they achieve until the next daily Scrum. Along the way, they may choose to participate in an optional activity called backlog refinement, which tries to get slices of the product backlog ready for future sprint planning events. At the end of the sprint, the Scrum team gets together with their stakeholders to inspect the increment. The increment is an artifact which is a valuable and potentially shippable version of the product. In the sprint review, the stakeholders and the Scrum team gather around, inspect the increment, crowdsource bottom-up intelligence, and come up with ideas on what might be the next best steps for the Scrum team to pursue to achieve the product goal. These ideas influence the upcoming sprint planning. Sprint review is followed by a retrospective where the Scrum team gathers in a safe space to reflect upon what happened in the recent sprint, what worked well, what could have gone better, and what adjustments they might consider in the next sprint. These events are encapsulated in a container event called the sprint. And after sprint retrospective, we move to the next sprint, rinse and repeat. Along the way, the Scrum team and stakeholders make sure that they stay true to 5 Scrum values: courage, focus, commitment, respect, and openness. And they make sure that they honor the guiding principles of empiricism, self-management, and servant leadership. If you want to learn more, read the Scrum guide, read my blog, the Scrum Discovery Cheat Sheet, take the free practice assessment from scrum.org called the Scrum Open Assessment. Watch my video on my YouTube channel, Intro to Scrum for Execs. Read the page, What is Scrum on scrum.org, and then attend the Applying Professional Scrum workshop from scrum.org. If these ideas resonate, go to smoothapps.com, check out our blogs, presentations, webinars, subscribe to our channel on YouTube, join our meetup Agile DevOps DFW, and follow our company page on LinkedIn. And if you need help with your Agile training, coaching, or transformation, contact us at smoothapps.com. So this was a quick intro to Scrum. Hope you found it useful. Until our next conversation, thank you, keep calm, and Scrum on.